go. Hello.
All right, let's go ahead and start this.
Are you hearing me, Ryan? I can't see you still. Today's Hindsight is an instructional video. So today we're going to be repairing a home office set.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the insides there.
We've got the insides right here.
What you're going to want to look out for is a red and a blue wire, and if you do cross those,
The familiar mushroom cloud snakes skyward. The wreckage.
So I've got this pair of bolt cutters. So what it looks like is this probably needs a little bit of a trim.
you're definitely going to want to make sure that the trim is intact. I repeat, intact. You're going to want a dust-free environment, by the way, when you're doing this. So I'm just going to go ahead and assume that you're wearing gloves.
So I'm just going to take the drill through the motherboard.
Okay. You do want to drill a hole straight through the motherboard, and then, excuse me, that way you can lay some extra RAM inside of that hole. Everyone knows that RAM comes in circles only, so you definitely need that circular drill bit. Yeah. Sounds good.
Okay.
And
that's fixed, I think. Now onto this mouse. I think the cord isn't working. What do I need to do to it?
you're going to want to go ahead and just cut the cord. And then it'll be a wireless mouse.
Oh, these are kind of dull. Wireless
Just
mouse?
pretend that it's a newborn that needs to be cut off from the mother's womb.
The contamination
Great. Oh.
caused by radiation.
We've got a printer here.
And it sounds like you did it. Nice.
And great. Now I have a full office set.
Thank you. I hope that we helped some people today reclaim their outdated technology. All right, take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.